Hey friends, Rachael from Infinite Succulent here, and today I am going to be demonstrating one of my favorite super easy crafts from my book, Infinite Succulent, Miniature Living Art to Keep or Share. And the craft that we're going to be doing today is the succulent twig magnets. And this is such an easy craft and such a fun craft that I wanted to have some special helpers come and join us. My daughter and her best friend, who is also our neighbor, are going to be creating...
I'm Ayla and this is Kayla.
They're going to be creating one of these succulent twig magnets as well. So, this craft is all of the materials that you'll need, and the whole procedure is in my book. You can find it wherever books are sold, Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Target, Indie Books, anywhere you can find books, you can find my book. But some of the materials that you will need: some kind of wood. Typically a piece of flat wood is great so that you can create a magnet with it. You're going to need some preserved craft moss, a magnet backing, and you can just get these at any craft store.
And one of the most important, succulents.
Yes, and some succulent clippings. You're going to need about 3 to 4 succulent clippings per magnet that you make. And then you might also want to have some additional things, like I like to use dried roses, dried flowers. That's right. We like to use crystals, or sometimes even things like seashells. And one thing that's really cool about this craft is that you can remake it over and over again. So for example, this is an old magnet I had made, and I removed all the succulent clippings once they had grown roots, and I planted them, and now I'm just going to re-glue some moss on here and add some new clippings. So you can reuse these materials over and over again, which is really, really cool. Also, you will need some kind of glue. I really advise using a hot glue gun just because it's so fast and it's so precise. And if you don't have a glue gun, you can use a craft glue. I do sell this craft as a kit on my website, infinitesucculent.com. Under the boutique where it says DIY kits, you can find a kit for this entire craft there on my website. So if you order a kit, you will get these little craft glue that comes with it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is glue some moss to our base, our piece of wood. So to do so, you're just gonna take your glue gun or whatever craft glue you have and just put a large amount anywhere on the wood where you want to glue some moss. And girls, I'm gonna help you.
Oh, and a little helpful tip. Be very, very fast because the glue is quick drying.
Yes. Okay, so let's do it on the plate.
And make sure you have an adult to help you if you're a kid.
Yeah, let's do it. That's exactly right. Make sure you have an adult to help you if you're a kid, just like what we're doing. If you're using a glue gun. Good job.
Now?
And then you take, hold on, before you start, Ayla, I'm just gonna explain. So then you take your moss and you push it into the glue. And make sure you're paying attention, girls, because you're gonna do this too. Be careful not to burn yourself.
If there's extras, what do you do?
That's a great question. If there's extras, what do? You can actually just pull it off.
Or cut?
Or cut it with scissors. I do have some scissors if you want. You can cut it off or pull it off.
Thanks.
And then you have a beautiful base for which your succulents will grow into. All right, girls, you ready to put some moss on yours?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Once we have our moss on, then we're going to start playing with our succulent clippings, seeing where we think we might like them to go.
Succulent clippings.
So
you said
I always suggest to play around with them first before you start gluing, so you get an idea of how you might want to arrange them for your art. The center, since it's the biggest, and then I would put these two around it.
Hey, that looks good.
You like that? Okay, so before you guys glue, let me show you how to do it, okay? People get nervous when they do this, but I am letting you know that you will not be hurting your succulent clippings when you use hot glue. I take the glue and I put it right at the base of the plant on the stem, on the cut stem. And then I push that right into the moss.
Mommy,
Like
Mommy.
so. Is yours done? You want to put the magnet on the back now?
Yep.
Okay, so what you're going to do for that, no, don't, no. What you're going to do for that is you're going to put a dollop of glue on here, and then you're going to just put this right on top.
All right.
Okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
My tears.
Mm-hmm.
Let me make a circle of glue.
Yeah, just make sure you put a big glob right in the middle. Perfect. Here we are with our finished work.
You like my magnet?
It's
Mine too.
beautiful.
No, I'm talking
Look.
to my viewers. Do you like my magnet?
Thank you. Thank you for watching our video today. We hope you
Goodbye.
enjoyed.
And make sure to subscribe to all of her videos.
Make sure to subscribe and to like. And if you have any questions or want to purchase one of my DIY kits, head over to infinitesucculent.com. Thanks, friends. See you next time.
Bye.